Well, starting this next segment a little different than I normally do. We're laying in here, relaxed atmosphere, or at least one would think, but it is a relaxed atmosphere, and we're even at a doctor's office. More importantly, a dermatology office. I am joined once again by the lovely Heather Scull from the Academic Alliance in Dermatology. I'm laying, I'm relaxing, showing how relaxed of an atmosphere, which is not normally what you get at a dermatology office, right?
Well, here at Academic Alliance in Dermatology, we try to convey that relaxed atmosphere, whether you're undergoing any medical or aesthetic procedures here.
Let's talk aesthetic procedures, because I feel like right now there's all the buzzwords. You hear the Botox, you hear the fillers, you hear the non-surgical this and that, and things I've probably not even have heard of at this point. It really is a trendy thing to do, but it can be overwhelming, and people may think they want something or want something else or just overwhelmed. How can you work with that person that maybe wants to learn a little bit more?
So when they come into our office, they will see the most experienced person here in the office, whether it's myself or one of our other providers, and we go through the specifics with the patient. What bothers them, what they are looking into doing, how they want to improve themselves or change, or just an ideal overall, what is their focus and desire, what's their goal? And so we work with them in that regard.
And so once you find out the goal, then you can kind of decide the best treatment plan, correct?
Yes, being realistic, of course, too. You know, because people come in and they want X, Y, Z, and they don't know that, for example, Botox doesn't fix something in your cheek. So we have to enlighten people and educate, because education is so critical for people to understand and not be fearful. Like, all these things are not to be feared. We actually have so many people that once they are educated, they become our patients for life.
And I know a lot of people, return patients is something that you pride yourself in building those relationships with the patients, because it can be an ongoing process, especially as the aging, of course, continues.
Very true. So when patients come in, we want to keep them. I want to see my patients as often as I can. I want them to be happy. I have been here for at least, actually going on 9 years now. So I pride myself on improving, making patients feel good about themselves and achieving their goals in a realistic manner. So whether they just need a little, softening in the eyebrows, or a little more contour, if they have some volume loss, any fine lines, wrinkles, what have you, even if it's skincare, we want to help achieve those long-term goals and short-term goals.
I'm so glad you brought up how long you've been here in your tenure, because experience may be key, especially when so many different doctors and different professions out there are doing the Botox and the fillers and all of these non-surgical things. Why is experience so important if you're starting to shop around?
When you're starting to shop around, you want to make sure that you have someone who is board certified, who has had extensive training and experience, which I have. We go through rigorous training modules, on-hand trainings, as well as you want to stick with someone who knows the skin. I mean, we're dermatologists who know skin better than dermatologists. So finding that right provider who also works with you with your personality, but you want to make sure that you're educated about who you're seeing.
Well, if you are thinking about diving in, or maybe a regular when it comes to some of those non-surgical procedures, I know there's a special day coming up for the 13th year Evening of Beauty. What is it, and why is it so special to Tampa Bay?
This year, we are celebrating our 13th annual aesthetic signature event here at Academic Alliance in Dermatology called the Evening of Beauty, and we're actually celebrating timeless beauty, looking back and celebrating all those men and women who have both inner and outer beauty. So we will showcase that evening all sorts of different procedures. I'll be demonstrating some procedures here at the office, including Sculptra. We will also have wine hors d'oeuvres, raffles. It'll be so much fun. We love it. We enjoy it. It's a huge turnout, so we hope to see everyone there.
So I asked Heather, I said, what are some of those specials that people can get? And you gave me a pretty good tease, because you don't even share what they are yet.
No, we don't. You have to wait. So on Halloween, basically the eve of November 1st, you will find out what we will offer for our following day. So that evening, all the specials will be rolled out, from products, services, procedures, you name it. We hope that you'll check it out and come see us on November 1st.
And they say on social networking is a great way to find out all of the information. And here's something I love. Just think about it. It's the night after trick or treat. Trick or treats for the kids. You want treats for the adults. Many think it's all about the beauty. Heather, thank you so much for having us out here today. We appreciate it. And as always, for more information, or if you want to learn more about the Evening of Beauty, tbmorningblend.com.